And that island, that lonely island, the lonely little island is Jolly Boy. Manjari is a small coastal village, but it is full of scenic beauty. There are high chances that a crocodile is waiting for you and it will have a good morning breakfast. Just remember these words. Hey guys, good morning from Port Blair, and my today's destination is Manjari. It's 20 kilometer south of Port Blair airport, and Manjari has traditionally been a fishing village and it's situated just by the sea. So scenic beauty is there, and on the way beautiful meadows, lush green forest and mangroves are also there, and old jetty is there. From the jetty you can see the corals in your naked eye. You don't have to jump inside the water to look into the corals. So that is one of the best thing about Manjari jetty. So let's go. It's 6:30 and I am on my way to Manjari, but on the way I have stopped. This is a small wetland located just beside the ATR road, and the famous thing about this wetland is that you will be able to spot migratory water birds. They are enjoying the morning sunshine. I am only 3 kilometers away from Manjari, but on the way, stunning view, it has compelled me to stop. Look at this. Look at the jungle behind me. It's mangrove, and right now you can see right now it's low tide, so there is no water. But in the evening time, it will be full of water, and there is a high chance that right now crocodile is waiting for his morning breakfast. These kind of roads where the road is always accompanied by jungle. This side you can see the mangroves, and this side the jungle of coconut trees. These kind of roads are rarely noticeable anywhere in the world. I am lucky enough that I have been in this place. Well, the road and the forest, they are distracting me to reach to my destination, but I have to be there in time. But I think Manjari is waiting for me there with its plethora of scenic beauty. So let's be there. Hey guys, I have reached in Manjari, and look what right now is visible in the screen. There are clusters of islands which are visible from this place. That one is Rootland, and that one is Jolly Boy Island. Contrast of color is there in water right now, where the mangroves are turning. The water is little bit greenish, but beyond that point, deep inside, the water color is totally blue, and Rootland Island is visible. And that island, that lonely island, the lonely little island is Jolly Boy. Just be quiet and you will hear the sound of the waves. The morning sunshine has made the water very bluish, and you can see the image of the cloud on the water. They're looking very gorgeous in the morning sunshine. The traditional livelihood of the people here in this location is fishing, and you can see a small boat. It has come out for fishing purpose. It is going towards the Rootland Island to catch fish, and in the evening time it will come to the shore. When I will return to my busy metro life, I will cherish these beautiful sweet memories. These mangroves, this deep blue sea. Right now I am standing in front of the restricted area and I have to go there, that side. That side on old jetty is there. It is 2.5 kilometers from this point, and that point is called Amber View Point. While going, deep jungle is there on both sides of the road. So you have to take permission from the forest department. You have to register there to go inside this. And I have given my paper and Bhaiya is doing the registration there. So after the formalities are completed, I'll be there on my way to Amber Point. Timing to enter in this viewpoint is from morning 7 o'clock to evening 3 o'clock, and in this board you can see some do's and don'ts are depicting here, like you don't have any permission to bring inside some fishing rod to do fishing. The only thing you can carry from this place is memory you will cherish throughout your life. Now it's time to go inside and see what is there in the jetty, what natural beauty, what good thing is waiting for me there at the jetty. So let's go. The morning sunshine has made the jungle lively. You can hear the chirping of the birds. And this road is leading me towards the Amber Point. The road to the jetty is like this. You have to drive very carefully through this road, and the only thing you could see here is the lush green forest. I am only 1 kilometer away from my final destination, the jetty, the Amber View Point, and you can see the green hill. It's part of Rutland Island, and you can hear the sound of jungle. I have stopped for a while on the way towards my journey to Amber View Point, and look where I am heading right now. Wow, it is this. Man, look at it. Look at it, man. There are clusters of islands stretching all through the location. I cannot name all the islands. And you can hear the waves. They are crawling on the seashore, making gentle sounds. The white sand is creating color contrast with blue sea, and the waves are crawling against the seashore, and you can hear the sound of the waves. I have only imagined this kind of scenario in my life, but today I am experiencing this. There are very few places in the world where these kind of beautiful scenarios are there. The deep blue sky reflecting its bluish color on the water, a snow white cloud on blue sky, and its image is being reflected on the water. The color of water is deep green, and the top of the hill it has got the blackish color, and over there you can see the stretch of concrete structure. It is the old jetty. My heart is saying you just stay here throughout the day and just sit on the white sand and enjoy the beauty. Enjoy the blackish hill over there and the snow white cloud reflecting its image on the deep blue sea. And you can see the jetty. It's my final destination. So my brain is saying that's enough in the beach right now. I have to go to the old jetty. So let's go. So right now you can see I have reached to the jetty. It is also called the Amber View Point, and you can see what beauty is here. Wow, the deep mangrove forest. In the morning time, the sea has taken the color of the sky, and the only contrasting point in between the sea and the sky is this, the stretch of the hills which are looking blackish. And here in the screen you can see a group of trees. They are hiding behind the root of the mangroves, saving themselves from the predators. Hey, look at it, a glowing fish. The morning sunshine is falling. You just have a look at the bottom of the sea. It is full of corals which are visible in naked eye. The morning sunshine has fallen on the concrete beam. It's a dollar fish. In local language it is called gobra. Already told, one of the main occupation here in this village is fishing. The boat has gone to the sea in the morning time and it will fishing up to evening time, and in the evening it will come to the seashore, sail the entire day catch. We human beings have encroached everywhere in the life of nature, but look at the location. Here nature has reclaimed her right. You can see the dead snails which have gathered on the concrete, and it has become a sanctuary for the marine lives. It's a drone here. It belongs to Indian Navy. It has come for regular inspection. It is keeping a hawk eye over the entire island so that no intruder can intrude in our land. So that's all in today's video. Hope you have enjoyed and you have been with me throughout all the journey. In the coming series of videos, I will cover such kinds of beautiful locations. Till then, stay tuned to my channel and goodbye as of now.